Hey guys, Jeff Carbo here. Just wanted to update you on the vehicle that we've been fixing here. Remember, I had all kind of noise, engine noise, setting the misfire, check engine light was on, Mufla was sounding like it was exhaust was leaking and all kind of crap. This vehicle I've been driving now probably almost 1,000 miles, and as you can see, the check engine light has not come back on. It hasn't. So the issue, how we fix the issue, we changed the O2 sensor, we changed all the ignition coils and spark plugs. We put in brand new spark plugs and the issue was fixed. So thank you all for following up. I just wanted to update you that the issue has fully been fixed. Stay tuned.